So let's talk about the specs of this hair. So the wig I ordered, it's this wig. I put it in a different hairstyle. The wig is 12 inches. It's 150% density, which if you want it to be a little thicker, I probably would suggest going up in density. I ordered it on June 12th. It came on June 18th, so it took about 7 days, six to 7 days to arrive. What else? I used the code, okay, so I tried using the code PrincessXOXO to take $6 off, but that code didn't work. So I went to the website and I told them that their coupon code wasn't working because they had a live chat, and then they gave me the code Jordan and it took $6 off. So originally it came to $85 and change. That's US dollars, and then with the coupon code put in, it was like $79 and change. So under $80, and even better, under $100 for this wig. It's really silky, it feels really good. Yeah, and that's it. So just stay tuned for the rest of the video and you'll see that I plucked it, and you'll see how much hair came out when I plucked it. And combing through this hair, I get literally minimal shedding. Minimal shedding, 1 to 2 strands, not even. And when I washed it, I didn't really have a lot of hair that came out either. So yeah, just be advised of that. Order the wig. I like it. I love it. The only thing is, like, the lace is kind of light, I would say. So I had to like put my makeup on it. I didn't tint it or anything like that because your girl didn't have time to do that. But yeah, try it out. Hey guys, this is the next day. I just wanted to show you guys what the wig looked like. So this is the wig after me plucking it, well, sorry, bleaching it, plucking it, and I took a little razor comb and I just cut this side a little bit. This is the side that I flipped to the right because I feel like one side of the wig was longer than the other side. So I put like just a mini part here because it is, I believe this is 13 by 4, so there's not a huge amount of parting space. So if you want like a parting space that's farther back, just order the 13 by 6. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna show y'all close up. I plucked it. I did a little bit of baby hairs, not too much because I don't like full baby hair, that full baby hair look. This is the lace in the front after I melted it down, and this is the side, as y'all could see. So this is just what it looks like. I'm wearing it to the side, but you know, you could style it however. I had washed the wig too, and I also straightened it, but I straightened it like the day before, so this is the next day. So this is what it's looking like. I'll show y'all the back. So, and the side. It's very movable. It's super, 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 super soft. You know, if you guys want the front to be flat, you can make it even flatter than I did. I didn't use the hot comb to flatten the top, but I might do that one day. I don't know. I just like the natural like you know, tousled look. So that's why I have it like this. I'm about to get ready, and then I'll probably style it so that it's like behind my ear or something. I don't know. Or I might just leave it like this, but I'm gonna get ready and then I'll show you guys what I look like with my makeup if you want to see. So I'll stay tuned. Okay guys, so I put my brows on, I put my liner, I put some concealer, and then I did some like inner corner highlight. So I was like, let me come and just show them like my lip combo. I don't know if you guys want to see it, but I'm about to do it. So I have this dark brown liner, just any type of dark brown liner. I used to use it for my brow, but I use it for my lip. So I'm not super neat or anything. I just do what I gotta do. And then I'm gonna line the top to, I can't even see, so I'm gonna do this in my mirror. And I don't have big lips. I have like medium lips, so I gotta make it do what it do. Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna put this at the end or the beginning of the video, because sometimes I'll be like, people don't want to see all this. I mean, people don't want to see all this. What you doing? So then I'm gonna take a little bit of some soft matte lip cream by NYX. It's in the color Dubai. I just take that and I just a little bit, just like a little, like literally a tad. Then I take the NYX Lingerie. This is also like a soft matte lip cream, and it's in the color Lipli 07, Lipli 07. I just take a little bit of that, and then I just do something like that. Like it's real light. Like I'm barely touching my lips. Like that. See? And then I take the NYX Butter Gloss. I love the NYX lip line. It's in the color Praline, which you probably can't see. BLG16 Praline. And then I'm gonna just put that over everything. And it just looks so nice. It gives you that cute, like, pouty look. So this is the lip combo I use, because I wanted a nice natural look. I mean, I could do a red lip if I wanted to, but not today. Not today. And then this is what it looks like. And then you could stop here, or you could just take the liner again, like I usually do, and reline, because I like for it to be kind of defined. Okay, that's my lip combo, and I'm just gonna put on my earrings and I'm done. So yes, this is the hair. If you guys like it, the link will be in the description box. It is Iseehair. This is the Bobwig, and it was 150% density, which is it feels like 130, but whatever. So yeah, click the link if y'all want to purchase the wig. That's it. Bye.